Sweet. What are we doing today, Felix? Grab the mic here.
Hello, people.
You don't need to hold it so close.
Why? We bought a toy. A grown person toy. Well, I guess you can use it if you're not a grown person, but I wouldn't recommend. This is a welder. A TIG welder. Stands for tungsten inert gas, I think. On Amazon, this is the best Chinese welder in the world. Maybe not. It's a Yeswelder.
Hell yeah.
Hell yes.
Yeah.
Hell yes, welder. Wait, let me just. It's a small little boy. It feels good. Heavy, clunky. So we were thinking about making some intakes out of aluminum and the exhaust out of stainless steel. And that's not really. Well, we don't even have a welder here, so.
Now we do.
Now we do. So we found it on Amazon. Good price. 3 people that split it, so.
Very reasonable.
Reasonable for 3 people.
For what it is, especially. It's an AC/DC welder.
Yeah, so it should work for both aluminum and stainless and everything else you want to weld. Maybe not plastic, but.
Maybe not.
No. We have a good pamphlet. Maybe it's in Chinese English. We have this is the ground wire. I don't believe this might be if you're gonna weld stick welding. Some tubing, and yeah, there is a ground wire and some tubing. The ground clamp for the gas. And here's the TIG stick. I don't know what you call it. Here we have some silicone.
Clear up like a table or something.
Yeah, sure. Why not?
You can put it somewhere. Sweet.
Okay, here's the bag with all the shit, the stuff. Okay, so here's some, I think these are silicone?
The what?
Are these silicone? I have no clue.
Know. Is it not porcelain?
The little hat, yeah, maybe. I have no idea. And the little stick in the back where you do things, I don't know. I have no clue. And here's the gun. With.
Nice.
Well, yeah, it has a button on it. What is that? What you pressed?
Yeah, it is. Is it nice?
Yeah, I am.
Very easy to press, actually.
Yeah, that's good.
Better than the one we found at Jula.
Yep.
That was not so nice.
We found a very, very, very scarily cheap welder at a local cheap chain. It was scary to hold. Okay, Yeswelder. Torch Cintig. Small 5 pins plug TIG grip handy. Gray body, black body, red JBCL.
Yeah.
Made this year.
Cool.
Uwaga. Okay. And then we have some argon.
Ooh.
And an adapter, also very Chinese. So this will let us both run gas through the handle and to purge, well, if you weld like a tube, if you fill the tube, yeah, especially stainless, if you fill the tube with the gas, you get better welds, better penetration.
Yep.
So that's what this hopefully will help us do. So there are two outlets and 1 inlet. Yeah.
Cool. So we'll see if that fits on our gas bottle.
Looks like it. What more? Yeah, we have a welding helmet. It's from Stanley. Stanley from The Office TV show. Probably not. It's a helmet.
It's a helmet.
It's a hood.
Does that have light charging?
I have no idea. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. There's some extra glass pieces here. We might throw all the welding things somewhere so we have that all collected.
Never to be used again.
Oh, shit. We have one last thing, maybe. No, 2 things. We have a Welding Trolley. just to make it easier, so you can like roll it around and hold the gas at the same place without having 3 hands. One last thing. We also have some tungsten for the TIG handle.
Cool.
Now we just need to see if we can set it up, and with all the stuff we have, we might need some hose clamp or something.
Should we start building the table?
Yeah, sure.
Or a trolley?
Yep.
All right, so we got the welding trolley. Holy crap! It looks absolutely beautiful. I mean, it's just supposed to hold the welder. I mean, yeah. That's mint. I call that mint.
I feel we might.
Here, take the mic.
I feel that we might need to strap this down because yeah, it's very top heavy.
Yeah.
It will be a shame to drop it. Ooh.
So should we put the bomb on?
Shh, 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 shh. Nice action.
Wrap it down. It's too short.
Should we just pull this off?
I think so.
Nice. Let's see if this threads on. It should go on right here. Maybe.
Maybe. Might not be the right one.
It feels like it's the right size, but it might not be. Because det känns som att det liksom är en millimeter fel.
I don't think it's the right size.
No, doesn't feel like it.
Question is, what size is this?
Okay, lovely people. This thread here wasn't it, Chief. So we're gonna go to the store and see if we can find another regulator. And we'll be right back.
All right, so now we have been at Biltema and we got a new regulator, which only has one output, but whoops. Hopefully we can test with this one at least. Hopefully. It's only one output, but yeah. Someone is calling me. Good. All right, so now we got the regulator in place. I think we filmed that. Very nice. And we are now testing out the welder with all of its settings on this cool pipe that we have here.
Aluminum.
Aluminum. And this is a pretty, what do you call it? It has a lot of functions. It has pulse and it has frequencies and it has AC slope up and down. You can film on the display. We have a ton of settings. So we are playing around with the settings, what to do, and see if we can find a nice setting for it, pretty much. Should we see if we can film when I weld?
Yeah.
Nothing
We won't
together?
damage the lens.
Hopefully not. Oh no.
Yeah.
Ah. Yeah, right. There you could hear a lot more power than before. Very nice. Did you see anything at all?
Yep.
Oh, cool. Well, let's play around with the settings a little bit more, shall we? All right, so we have played around a little bit now. We got the aluminum there. It's not beautiful, but I've done like 2 welds in my life, and Felix hasn't done any. So we're just playing around with the settings, and we're learning a lot along the way. We're going to get some bigger filler rod because I only have like the half size 1.4 or something. We're going to get a little bit thicker. And yeah, a lot about cleaning and stuff that I know we need to do it, but I just want to try the welder. So yeah, just playing around a little bit. But I think that's pretty much it for this video. We finally have a new welder in the garage, so I can build my downpipe and put the golf together. And in the summer, maybe some boost pipes and some intake pipes for Felix and stuff. But yeah, I guess we'll give a review when we learn to weld properly, when we use the welder for a while. So yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.